Hello everyone, we were studying MCQs of Biology class 11th chapter Biological Classification. Okay, today we will start from MCQ number 13. Previous video में हम 12 MCQs कर चुके हैं, ठीक है. Okay, now see question number 13. TO dinner discovered. Option number A, free infectious RNA, B, free infectious DNA, C, infectious protein, and D, bacteriophage. Option number A is correct here. Free infectious RNA. Okay. Viroids are small circular single-stranded RNA molecules that are the smallest known pathogens. The extracellular form of the viroid is naked RNA, that is, there is no protein capsid of any kind. Even the RNA molecule contains no protein encoding genes, and therefore the viroid is totally dependent on host function for its replication. No viroid diseases of animals are known, and the precise mechanism by which viroid cause plant disease remain unclear. Okay, let's see question number 14. Consider the following 4 measures A to D that could be taken to successfully grow chickpea in an area where bacterial blight disease is common. A, spray with Bordeaux mixture. B, control of the insect vector of the disease pathogen. C, use of only disease free seeds. D, use of varieties resistant to the disease. Which two of the above measures can control the diseases? Okay, option number C is correct here. Use of only disease free seeds and use of varieties resistant to the disease. Okay, bacterial blight of chickpea is caused by bacterium Xanthomonas campestris. Okay, the ejected tissue collapse and are digested by bacteria. Rapid spread of bacterial infection occurs through vascular strand. The stems and leaves of infected plant give blighted or burnt up appearance. Control measures include 3-year crop rotation, disease-free seeds, spray of copper fungicides, and antibiotics besides showing disease-resistant varieties. Bordeaux mixture is most common fungicide, first discovered by Millardet in 1885 at University of Bordeaux, France, to control downy mildew of grapes. Okay. Question number 15. Thermococcus, Methanococcus, and Methanobacterium. Exemplify. Option number A, Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histone. B, Archaebacteria that lack any histones resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. C, bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. D, bacteria that contain a cytoskeleton and ribosomes. Option number A is correct here. Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones. Okay, देखिए inspection of domain archae shows that two subdivisions exist as Euarchaeota and the Cranarchaeota. The archaea are chemotrophic. Although Halobacterium can use light to make ATP, many others are chemolithotrophs, with hydrogen gas being a widely used energy source. The Euarchaeota includes Methanobacterium, Methanococcus, Thermococcus. The differential features among bacteria, archaea and eukarya are prokaryotic cell, बैक्टीरिया आर्किया यूकैरियो में नहीं है. सर्कुलर डीएनए जो होता है वो भी यूकैरियोट्स में नहीं है, आर्की बैक्टीरिया में और बैक्टीरिया में है. ठीक है. हिस्टोन प्रोटीन जो होता है वो बैक्टीरिया में नहीं होता, आर्की में और यूकैरिया में होता है. ठीक है. जो मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड न्यूक्लियस है वो केवल यूकैरियोट्स में होता है, आर्की बैक्टीरिया में भी नहीं है और बैक्टीरिया में भी नहीं है. जो राइबोसोम्स होते हैं बैक्टीरिया में 70S राइबोसोम्स होते हैं, आर्की बैक्टीरिया में भी 70S राइबोसोम्स है. यूकैरियोट्स जो होते हैं उसमें 80S और 70S दोनों होते हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. बैक्टीरियल लीफ ब्लाइट ऑफ राइस इज कॉज्ड बाय ए स्पीशीज ऑफ. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट हियर, Xanthomonas. Leaf blight of rice, Xanthomonas oryzae. Red strip of sugar, Pseudomonas cane rubrilinians. Fire blight of apple, Arvinia amylovora. Early blight of potato, Alternaria solani. Okay. Question number 17. Which of the following statement about mycoplasma is wrong? They are also called PPLO. Yes. They are pleomorphic. Yes. They are sensitive to penicillin. No, this is wrong. ठीक है. They cause disease in plants. Yes. Penicillin acts on cell wall and mycoplasma lacks cell wall. Mycoplasma are inhibited by metabolic inhibitors like chloramphenicol and tetracycline. पेनिसिलिन सेल वॉल पे काम करती है. ठीक है. एक्ट उसका सेल वॉल पे होता है, लेकिन माइकोप्लाज्मा में तो सेल वॉल है ही नहीं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. वायरसेस दैट इन्फेक्ट बैक्टीरिया मल्टीप्लाई एंड कॉज देयर लाइसिस आर कॉल्ड लाइटिक. ठीक है. लाइटिक. देखिए, when bacteriophage infect a bacterium, it entirely depends on the host for its multiplication. It utilizes the host machinery for replication and produce a large number of progeny. The bacterium cell undergoes lysis and dies to liberate a large number of these phase particles, which are each ready to start another cycle by infecting new bacterial cell. This cycle is known as lytic cycle. Okay. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आगे के MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे. On this channel, we will provide you best content of PCB. If my videos are helpful for you, then please subscribe this channel Learning Point. Thank you.